In this video, we are going to build a mini cell phone charger which costs around $1. It can charge two devices at the same time, and we only need a 9V battery to begin charging. Let's get started. First, we need a 7805 voltage regulator. The left pin is the input pin. This is where our battery positive will connect. The middle one is ground, and the right pin is the output, which will give us 5 volts, which can charge a phone. An LED for indication, and a 330 ohm resistor to limit the current for the LED. A female USB connector and a micro USB connector. 9V battery connector, which I salvaged from a dead 9V battery, and during the process I broke my cutter. Just a heads up, don't be stupid like me. Okay, first I added some solder on the negative side of the battery connector and repeated the process on the back side of the regulator. And solder them together. Now I took the input pin and soldered it to the positive side of the battery. Now I connected the battery and checked the 5 volts on the output of the regulator. Okay, great. Then I took my LED and soldered it on the 7805's ground and to 5 volts via resistor. If you connect the battery now, the LED should light up. Now we need to add the connectors. I cut and took out the main mini connector and soldered it like this. Use some hot glue to stick the connector and solder the female USB connector and cover it with hot glue. Then I used some yellow tape to make it look good, but I could have done something better. There you have it, the cheapest mini cell phone charger. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this project and what video should we make next. Please share this video if you found this video helpful, and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Till then, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.